o hindi na? Sapagkat hindi na.
Pababa na po siya,
Pababa
Your
na.
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Gano'n po baba, for example? Ilang percent? Gano'n po baba? Gano'n po baba?
I can only speak for the 9th Infantry Division, Your Honor. Meron kaming dating 8 guerrilla fronts. Ngayon, mag-isa na lang po ang naiwan na weekend guerrilla front. So, ganun kababa na po.
Meron pa ba tayong mga NPA na mga sundalo na mga minor de edad? Marami pa ba?
Sa pagkangayon po, Your Honor, wala po kaming na sasagupa sa aking kapanahunan po.
Wala na. So ibig sabihin, mas mataas ang ang issue ng insurgency sa college. Sa college, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Therefore, hindi DepEd, dapat CHED. Tama ako mali?
Your Honor, we categorize the youth po na 15 to 30 years old po. Kasama dito yung mga ibang high school students po.
Ganito na lang yon. If DepEd would have a subject lang kayong mga DepEd family, please listen to me. I say this. Kung meron kayong subject sa high school for example, on anti-insurgency campaign, on the evils of communism and atheism, mas maganda, di ba? Tama ako, Mr. Monsayak.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na kailangan pa yung youth summit na binabanggit ninyo na ginagastusan ng confidential fund ng DepEd. Oo. Ngayon, sa college pwede. Sapagkat meron tayong UP, meron tayong PUP. Oo. O meron tayong pamantasan sa lungsod ng Maynila na yan, pwede pa maging breeding place ng insurgency yan eh. Di ba? So therefore, it must be CHED. It must be CHED that should connect with the DND as far as the anti-insurgency campaign should be done. Am I right? Major Bajao.
You're right, Your Honor.
Okay, Yusek Mimpin. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
O, ganun na lang gawin natin, DepEd. Magkaroon lang tayo ng subject on anti-insurgency sa ating high school, communism and atheism, no? And let us just, siguro kinakailangan na rin natin na atin nang i-promote yung talagang for the love of God and country sa DepEd, no? Ganon din sa CHED. Siguro yan ang kinakailangan gawin natin ngayon. O ito naman, sa COA naman, no? Itong inyong joint circular is a joint circular that have been written na ang kasama dito, DBM, DALG, DND, Governance Commission for GOCC, and Commission on Audit. Am I right?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Yun. Walang DepEd dito eh.
Tama po.
Walang DepEd. So, ibig sabihin, kayong mga sa audit, Commission on Audit, should realize na wala ang DepEd dito. Hindi kasama. Ibig sabihin, hindi dapat magkaroon ng confidential fund ang DepEd. In the first place. Hindi dapat magkaroon. And that should have been made improper. Oo. Di ba? O nakalagay dito, the utilization of such funds is generally confidential and classified by nature, which requires not only strong internal controls in the release and utilization thereof, but also strict accounting and auditing rules to prevent mishandling or improper application of the funds, of which COA has neglected. Attorney,
Mr. Chair.
what is your comment on that?
Attorney Camora.
Mr. Chair, actually po we are...
Binasa ko lang yung nakalagay dito.
Opo, we are currently in talks with the same agencies po na i-amend na po ang joint circular.
Oo.
So, ongoing na po yung talks about the amendment. And I think
Gusto ko ng trabaho, pero gusto ko lang palagi umiga. Wala bang ganun? Gusto ko na lang maging isang princess. Maging hot with the freezer para may silbi itong pagkika ko sa malamig.
Strictly account and audit, yan ang nakalagay to prevent mishandling or improper application of the funds. We are now requesting in this committee, Mr. Chair, na gawin nyo na ito. Attorney, Mr. Chair,
yes, Mr. Chair.
gawin nyo na ito.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Di ba? Please, gawin nyo na yung nakalagay dito.
Yes, Mr.
Para maulit natin to, malaman po ng taong bayan to. Ito, nakalagay sa Joint Circular number 2015-01, January 8, 2015 to nailabas. Ito nakalagay. The utilization of such funds is generally confidential and classified by nature, which requires not only strong internal controls. Yan. Una yan in the release and utilization thereof. Number 2, but also strict accounting and auditing rules to prevent mishandling or improper application of the funds. And this is the work of COA. Am I right?
Yes po, Mr.
So,
Chair.
Mr. Chair, we are requesting that COA should now do what they should do to implement this joint circular right now. Because you have always been telling us that you're always mentioning the joint circular. And because of that, nakakalusot yung mga tinatawag nating rentals na yan. Nakakalusot. Walang attachment, walang particulars, hindi malaman kung paano ginamit yan. Bakit yung 78 days na yan, 5 million lamang, pero bakit yung 11 days, 16 million? My goodness, kahit sinong kausapin nyo, kahit hindi marunong na mathematics, sabihin nila, aba, ang taas naman ito. Di ba? Kahit hindi marunong magbasa at magsulat niyan. Pag nakita yung mga figures na yan, ba't ganun? Bakit ganun? Listen, COA, lahat tayo rito, tandaan po natin na ang taong bayan pa rin ang makapangyarihan dito. And the thing is this, we still would like to say this, that we are not a government of men, we are a government of laws. And therefore, every law must be implemented properly. And I would like to please suggest to COA, tingnan nyo na maigi ito, and please implement the ruling in the joint circular. Nakita ko at nabasa ko you're using it, therefore, gawin nyo ang dapat mangyari dyan sapagkat strict accounting and auditing.
Yes,
Tama ho
Mr.
ba ako?
Yes po, Mr.
Gawin
Chair.
natin. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair. Yun lamang.
Madam Chair, for yung certification na po yun is for yung mga rewards nung buong quarter na po yun.
Anong quarter po ito? Itong certification na to. 3 quarter Nagpasa sila ng
First and second quarter po yata.
Are you sure?
Yung certification. Kung yung certification po, Mr. Chair, I think it's for the whole year. Although yung sinusupport po niya na liquidation is for the first and second quarter.
Yes. For what PPA? Is it in the counterinsurgency programs?
Hindi po na namin tinignan kung anong...
Have you read the certification? Ano yung sinasabi sa certification? Ito, sinasabi sa certification. Halimbawa na lang, itong Mr. Chair, basahin natin. Yung kay Boransing, kay Colonel Boransing, kung titignan natin yung certification, may 8 activities na sa YLS, 531 participants, 9,428. This was carried out from January 1 to December 1, which resulted to 0 reported CTG recruitment. In addition, this command has implemented hindi ko po alam yan kung ano yan, Complan Tinabangay. So, ang ibig sabihin po, ito ay para dito sa PPA 1, PPA number 1. Kasi for CTG daw to no, yung mga recruitment ng NPA. Ito kung titignan natin, Mr. Chair, yung certification po ni Lieutenant Colonel Panopio, ganun din yon for the elimination ng mga NPA tsaka recruitment, no? Okay, next. At yun din po, yung sa yung sa iba pa na ito information education campaign. So tingin ko para doon sa sa YSL o YLS. So ito para dito sa number 1 PPA po. So yung abuse prevention and control within the school, asan po yung outcome and accomplishment report? Kung ito for 1 year ng PPA 1, asan po yung accomplishment report ng number 2 PPA? Kasi nakalagay dito, reduce abuses against learners. So meron ba tayo, Mr. Chair, na base data kung ilan po yung abuses within the year? Kaya nasabi ni BP at nasabi ni Fajarda na reduce na daw po yung abuses against learner. Asan po yung accomplishment report nito? Kasi hindi natin pwedeng tanggapin lang ito na ganito lang. Mr. Chair, where is it?
Mr. Chair, ito lang po yung na-receive namin. So, at that time po, na-deem sufficient na sa payment of rewards po.
Ito, sufficient na? Sufficient na po ito dito sa 4 na PPA, Mr. Chair? I cannot accept that. Kasi nakalagay dito, reduce abuses against learners. Ano ba yung baseline? Paano na-reduce? Ilan yung number? Payment of reward, 2 million, 2.95 million. Purchase of supply, 2.69 million. Payment of incentives and traveling, etc. Makikita nyo dyan Mr. Chair. Purchase of information, 2.2 million. May 10 million dito, reduce abuse against learners. So, paano natin masusukat yun? Mr. Chair, ako po mathematics teacher ako. Gumagamit kami ng rubrics. At kami, yung mga teacher, sinusukat sa kung ano yung nagagawa nila. Pero kung ganito, alam niyo po, hindi to papasa as teacher. Kung ganito po, hindi po ito papasa or hindi ito magkakaroon ng, ng record ng VS or S. Baka NI pa to. Kasi wala itong, wala itong justification. So sinasabi ba ng COA, ito na for the whole year, Mr. Chair, yung para sa justification ng 150 million.
Mr. Chair, dun lang po sa rewards, yung 15 ba yun? 15. Yung sa payment of rewards lang po yun. Hindi po...
Hindi, kaya nga gusto ko makita yung accomplishments. Gusto natin makita yung actual outcome. Ano yung actual outcome? Tinanggap ko na nga yung number 1 O di sige, ito meron ito. Kahit na hindi ito katanggap-tanggap, Mr. Chair, kung bubusisiin ko pa yan. So, asan po yung pag-reduce? Next, eliminate illegal activities within schools. Okay, eliminate illegal activities. Ano ba yung mga illegal activities within the school? Ano yung baseline data? Ano yung mga na-eliminate? Ano-ano tong mga illegal na ginagawa sa loob ng eskwelahan? Meron po ba accomplishment? Conducted surveillance in 119 areas, 100% implementation of activities. So what's this? Walang meaning ito, Mr. Chair, sa atin. kung titignan natin, kung talagang ano tayo, no, bubusisiin talaga natin itong confidential funds. So kung ganito yung sinubmit, tinanggap nyo lang yan, tapos sasabihin nyo, ang kulang lang ay yung pagpapaliwanag ng rewards. Kung ako yung auditor, Mr. Chair, hindi ko tatanggapin yon. Ano-ano yung mga sinasabing outcome nito. And next, anti-extremism, terrorism programs, gather information necessary implementation of general peace and order within the department. Ano po yung outcome nito? Ano po yung patunay nito, Mr. Chair?
Yung certification din, Mr. Chair. Like yung iba po may kasamang terrorism, physical harm, criminalities, and drug abuse. It's the same po, yung certification din po.
So meron kayo ng certification.
This the same po na yung sinubmit po ng...
Well, Mr. Chair, hindi po